This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to safely disconnect your Maytag washer for repairs, moving, or disposal. We'll cover power, water hoses, and the drain, emphasizing safety to prevent leaks, shocks, and damage. Note: modern smart washers require app-based disconnection. This information is updated for 2026 models. Before you begin disconnecting your Maytag washer, ensure the washer is turned off, unplugged, and completely empty of water. Gather these essential tools: an adjustable wrench, pliers, a bucket, and a towel for any drips. For newer smart models, have your smartphone ready to disconnect via the app. Wear gloves to protect your hands, and remember safety first. Never bypass the grounding on the power cord. For standard Maytag washer models, simply unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet. This ensures the appliance is completely disconnected from power. For smart Maytag models from 2024 and later, first disconnect through the app before unplugging physically. Open the Maytag app on your smartphone, select your washer, and choose the disconnect option. This unlinks the appliance from your home network and prevents firmware issues when reconnecting later. This one-touch method reduces the physical steps needed by about 30%. Turn off both hot and cold water supply valves behind the washer. Use pliers to gently loosen the hose clamps, turning them counterclockwise. Carefully pull the hoses off, expecting some residual water to drip out. Catch any drips with your bucket and towel. Eco models may have quick connect fittings. Press the release tabs to detach. Locate the drain hose at the back of the washer, typically connected to a standpipe or floor drain. Loosen the metal hose clamp using a wrench or pliers. Carefully remove the hose from both the washer and the drain connection. Drain any remaining water from the hose into a bucket to prevent spills. Coil the hose neatly to prevent kinks during transport or storage. Use a bracket if available for secure positioning. After disconnecting the hoses, carefully inspect all connection points for any signs of water leaks. Use a dry cloth to wipe down the connections and surrounding areas to prevent moisture buildup. Place protective caps on the ends of both hot and cold water hoses. This prevents dust, dirt, and debris from entering the hoses while the washer is disconnected. Carefully coil the water and drain hoses in a neat, organized manner. Use tape or zip ties to secure the coils, making them easier to handle during transport or storage. Check local recycling guidelines and properly dispose of plastic hoses. Many communities have specific programs for appliance parts to meet environmental standards and reduce waste. Avoid these common mistakes when disconnecting your Maytag washer. First, on smart models, always disconnect through the Maytag app before unplugging to prevent firmware errors. Second, handle the power cord carefully to avoid damage from pulling or getting caught under the washer, which can cause electrical problems. Third, ensure all water is drained completely to prevent mold growth and potential leaks during the process. If you encounter errors in the Maytag app during disconnection, consult the official support website or your user manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Looking ahead to the future of washer disconnection, several exciting developments are on the horizon. First, expect AI-assisted tools like augmented reality apps. These will provide real-time visual guides that overlay instructions directly onto your washer, helping you see exactly where to disconnect hoses and wires. Next, automated disconnection systems may emerge, where robotic arms equipped with adaptive grippers and sensors perform the disconnection process autonomously, reducing manual effort and potential errors. Sustainability will drive modular designs, with washers built from easily swappable components. This means quicker disconnection for repairs and more environmentally friendly upgrades. However, with smart features come cybersecurity challenges. Disconnection procedures must account for secure app-based unlinking to avoid vulnerabilities during maintenance or upgrades. Consider these emerging trends as you plan for the maintenance and upgrading of your Maytag washer in the coming years.